What's going on, Beetle people? So as you can see, a lot has happened since the last time I saw you. I dropped the engine out of the car last night. It only took about 4 hours, which was pretty fun, I guess. So what the plan is to do today is take off everything on the top end, you know, the fan shroud, the manifold, alternator, and then so I could get to the cylinder head, take it off, and replace it with another one that I have, because the spark plug threads were stripped out, and we tried to tap them, and we found out it was impossible to do it on this one. So gonna replace that, to take those off and replace it sometime in the week. And got the new exhaust came in finally, so it's in the car, and we got a bunch of parts in here. So there's the exhaust right there. So we got to do all this, and then hopefully we'll have the engine back in the car in the next few weeks. So when we get the engine back in, we can put the gas tank in and do all the other stuff on the inside. So I'm gonna do a little quick update. All right, now I've done a little bit of work. I've gotten the fan shroud and alternator off right over there. So I think the next thing we have to do is take off the manifold right here, and well as this to get, and then after that I think we just take up these tins right here. Then I should have access to that cylinder over there, or maybe that head. And then I think I might need to take off these heater boxes down here, this heater box right here, to fully take it out, but we'll see when we get there. Hey guys, I'm coming in for a voiceover because I forgot to film me taking apart the engine and putting the cylinder head back on. But as you can see, I took the cylinder head off and I put the brand new one on. So yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, so last time you saw the Beetle, the engine was out of the car, and since then I've replaced the cylinder head on this side. That's all fixed. I put it back in the car. Now I put the new exhaust on that finally came in. Put it on. No, they don't have catalytic converters. So I put that on, but while we put the engine on, the belt is loose now. We don't know why. I think we have to get a new belt, but I might have to look up a video to see why it changed. But next I need to put the this tin on that goes down here. I got these new hoses for the air. I'll put those on and then wire everything up. And then next, what we're gonna try to do today is put the new gas tank in. Got it right here in this box. New gas tank with new fuel sending unit and hose and everything. So I'll put that in. Then hopefully by the time that gets done, I can be able to start the car and drive it around for the day. I still got to put oil in it because you can see it dripped everywhere. So that should be about it for now, and then I'll update you when I get everything done.